Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to solve compound inequalities. We have two situations. One situation is called AND. One situation is called OR. Alright, we're going to solve it, then graph it. Now, the first one, I have two different ways to solve it. I'm gonna keep it as it is. Then, we're going to isolate x by minus 5 in the middle. Minus 5 to your right, minus 5 to your left. Now, positive, negative cancel out. We copy down what we have. 2 minus 5, negative 3. Copy it down. 9 minus 5, that is 4. Good news, we are done here and we can graph it. Let's put these guys on the number line. A quick sketch, and this is negative 3, and let this one be positive 4 because it is just this symbol without the bar underneath. Therefore, we're going to use open circle. Open circle means negative 3 and positive 4. You guys not being included. Alright, now let's look at x is greater than the negative 3. Means I'm going to go to my right side. Okay, you can keep going. However, you come back to look at here. Oh no, I really cannot keep going. Why? Because another condition said, and, see the word and? At the same time, x has to be less than 4. Let me get a different color for you. Let's say, get red. Therefore, did you see this red and green? They're overlapping each other. This is our solution region. Right in the middle. Right in between negative 3 and positive 4. This tells us x is greater than negative 3, less than 4. This is method 1. Method 2. I'm going to erase everything and work on method 2. Method 2, you see here? If you put this in a green bubble, you get a one-step inequality, just like that. And if you look at here, did you see you got a one-step inequality, just like this? Now you're going to solve them respectively and then use the word AND. Now, same thing as we did earlier, minus 5, minus 5. One step, x is greater than negative 3. Same thing here, minus 5, minus 5. Rewrite x and cancel out, x is less than 4. Remember, this is AND situation. Then you put the word AND here. Must put the word AND here, okay? And you say, okay, we're done. Now, let's look at this one. This is a situation called OR situation. I'm going to put the AND graph back here because later we can compare. This is a negative 3, this is a positive 4, and if you're greater than 3, you go to the right side, and if you're less than 4, you go to the left side, and then, oh, these two lines overlapping each other. Don't forget we have open circle here. That's the graph for this question. I'm going to come here. This is all situation. I'm going to solve this all situation. Solve this 2x plus 3 is less than 9. We're going to minus 3, minus 3. Cancel out. 2x less than 6. One more step. Divided by 2, divided by 2. X less than 3. Okay? Check. All right. Come here. Look at this. Plus 6, plus 6. Cancel out. Rewrite. 3x is greater than, that's 18. I'm going to isolate x, divide by 3, divided by 3, and almost done. X is greater than 6. Let's look at what is happening now in this all situation. Let's don't forget to write our word all. That's important. Now, we're going to complete the graphing on the number line. This is a 3. Remember, this is a quick sketch, and you can write a few more points, make it look really good, okay? This is a 6. Still use open circle. because there's no bar underneath this symbol. Open circle. Okay, open, open. All right. X, you're going to be less than 3. Therefore, you're going to the left, to the left, to the left. Okay? All right. And X, I'm going to add a little bit of color for you to see better. Oh, is it better? Okay. All right. And for X is greater than 6, I'm going to say to the right, to the right, to the right, and put an arrow here. Now, that's the all situation. Did you see how different they are? The and situation connected. Okay? The all situation, they're separated. One go to the left and one go to the right. That is how we solve compound inequality. Happy learning.